Hello there, I'm Gabriel, and today we're talking about 3 easy steps you need to take to increase viewership and engagement of your Instagram Live. This is a super useful video because, as you know, Instagram Live has been exploding lately. So make sure you pay close attention if you're a business or personal brand. I also have at the end a special feature with my co-founder Laura Gomez. She created amazing templates so you can use for your Instagram Lives. She's going to explain you how to use them and take advantage of this feature. So without further ado, let's get started. Step number 1 is to plan and structure your Instagram Live. For us at the agency, we go at least 3 days in advance and plan what's going to happen. So we have a clear path of beginning, then development, and the ending. So people don't feel lost when they join the actual live. This is super crucial. So go ahead and plan what's going to happen with a clear structure. Step number 2 is promotion. Make sure you start promoting it at least 3 days before. This way people can see what's going to happen. So you start creating the fear of missing out, the FOMO. So you start talking on all of your social media platforms about what's going to happen, the guests, the giveaways. This way they are ready to go and they will tune in the date of the live. So make sure you post on all social media platforms at least 3 times a day to be able to get the viewership. Step number 3 is to record a separate video so you can repurpose the content on other social media platforms. So you can do, for example, micro content, 30 seconds to 1 minute, and post it on different social media platforms. You can even do a podcast from the audio of the live, and also you can repurpose everything as a full YouTube video. So make sure you are recording everything you're doing. This way you can take more viewership and also create more promotion for the upcoming lives. Now that you learned the 3 most important tips about Instagram Lives, make sure you like this video and subscribe. Now, before we go, I have Laura Gomez and she will explain you how to do Instagram Live templates the right way. Welcome, Laura Gomez. There we go.
Hey guys, my name is Laura Gomez and I'm the co-founder, and I just wanted to tell you that we have some really amazing Instagram Live templates for you. You can add text, videos, pictures, and it literally looks like a PowerPoint. This is perfect for your own live or when you're going live with somebody else. It works either way. So go ahead and stay tuned for the how-to video and just click at the bottom. Gabe will add in the link to the free templates. Hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Make sure you subscribe to Laura. The channel is Laura Gomez, or also Laura Gomez. She's posting a lot of digital marketing content and everything about branding or marketing. This is just insane, everything and all the value she's offering. So make sure you visit her channel. It's also down in the description, okay? Take care, and we will see you, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.